Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unmute or allow unknown callers on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Protecting the privacy of your messages remains the driving force behind every feature will be built on WhatsApp, while end-to-end encryption is the foundation for ensuring your calls and messages are secure. WhatsApp continued to add more layers of privacy on top, including the recently launched chat lock to password protect sensitive chats, disappearing temporary message, screenshot, blocking for one view, and the ability to keep your online presence private. Now, WhatsApp has feature that when you can mute unknown callers. So if there's callers from the number that you didn't save, you can mute that calls from that number. On my previous video, I've showed you how to silence that unknown callers. But if you want to, what if you want to unmute that unknown callers? You want to allow them to call you. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can scroll down and tap on privacy here. Scroll down, tap on calls here. You can see the toggle for silence unknown callers is active. You can inactivate by tap on the toggle here. So when there is calls from the unknown numbers, it will be ring. So that is how to unmute or allow unknown callers on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!